Day 40 of Bible Bites. God lays out the clear consequences of obedience and disobedience, blessings for following His ways, and serious warnings for turning away. We also hear wisdom inviting us to her feast. We are in Leviticus 26-27, Psalm 40, and Proverbs 9, 1-12. Let's see what God promises His people. Quick prayer. God, help us choose obedience and wisdom. Thank you for your promises and patience. Amen. Leviticus 26. Blessings for obedience, rain in season, abundant harvests, peace in the land, victory over enemies, and God's presence among them. I will walk among you and be your God. Curses for disobedience, terror, disease, crop failure, defeat by enemies, and eventually exile from the land. Even in judgment, God promises He will remember His covenant with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and not completely destroy them. Leviticus 27. Rules about vows and dedications. How to dedicate people, animals, houses, or land to the Lord, and the value system for redeeming them. Psalm 40. I waited patiently for the Lord. He turned to me and heard my cry. He lifted me out of the slimy pit. He put a new song in my mouth. Many will see and fear the Lord and put their trust in Him. I desire to do your will, my God. Your law is within my heart. Proverbs 9, 1-12. Wisdom builds her house, prepares a feast, and invites the simple. Come, eat my food and drink the wine I have mixed. Leave your simple ways, and you will live. Folly also calls loudly, but her guests end up in the depths of the grave. Leviticus 26 is one of the clearest if-then chapters in the Bible. Blessings for obedience, curses for rebellion, but always with the hope of restoration because of God's covenant. The chapter ends with God's faithfulness, even when His people fail. Psalm 40 shows the joy of waiting on God and having His law written on the heart. Proverbs 9 presents a daily choice. Accept wisdom's invitation to life or folly's invitation to death. Real-life comparison. Blessings and curses equals the natural consequences we see today. Living God's way brings peace, fruitfulness, and protection. Ignoring Him often leads to chaos and regret. Psalm 40. New song equals God turning our lowest pit into praise and testimony that helps others. Proverbs 9, invitation equals every day we choose between wisdom's table, life, growth, or folly's quick but deadly path. Application and challenge, 45 to 60 seconds. Today, choose one area of obedience where you've been hesitant. Take a small step today. Wait patiently on God for something you've been praying about. Psalm 40. Accept wisdom's invitation. Choose one wise decision over an easier one. What's one area where you need to choose obedience today? Comment. God promises blessings for obedience and always leaves the door open for restoration. Tomorrow we finish Leviticus. Subscribe, share, see you tomorrow.